Today I want to talk to you about how to make money from your YouTube channel before you even get monetized. A lot of YouTubers start out their channel with the goal in mind of reaching those monetization requirements on YouTube, which are having 1,000 subscribers and having 4,000 watch hours of their channel within a 365-day period. So with that said, for a lot of people, this can take several months, if not over a year. And honestly, with my first channel, it took me 9 months to get monetized. That's 9 months of waiting to get paid. But there is a way, and several ways in fact, to make money before you hit that mark by doing a few things. And I'm going to tell you about that right here. So the first way that you can actually make money from your YouTube channel before getting monetized is having affiliate marketing links. And this is something that you'll see most influencers doing, and especially YouTubers. Almost any video that you go to of any major YouTuber, you're gonna see several links to products that they probably recommend. And if anybody clicks on one of those links, then that YouTuber will likely make a small commission from the products that are bought if that person uses that link. Now, for example, I use Amazon as one of the affiliate partners, and several of the links in my video descriptions link to products that I would recommend that you can find on Amazon. Now, if somebody uses one of those links to buy that product that I'm recommending, then I do make a small commission. However, the cool thing about Amazon is that if somebody buys anything from their website, once they have opened up the Amazon browser using my link, then whatever products they check out in their cart will end up being part of what contributes to my commission, which is really cool because it doesn't add any extra cost to the person that's buying. However, the person who led them there does get a small commission. It's basically like a referral link. And that's another thing that you can do is referral programs. If you are really passionate about a certain product or company, oftentimes if they don't have an affiliate partnership program, then it's very likely that they have some type of referral program. Maybe let's say you really like a certain pair of leggings and you recommend the brand, and then if the person uses your link, then you get $5 towards your next purchase, and they might get $5 off too if they sign up or something like that. Every single program is different, but that's just an example. Another way that you can make money on YouTube before getting monetized is by doing brand partnerships or sponsorships on your channel. And sometimes these do take a little bit more effort to attain if you don't have a large audience yet. But with that said, try to reach out to brands that you already know and love, and just let them know how much you love their products and propose to do some type of collaboration with them. Honestly, a lot of brands are going to respond likely offering products in exchange at first, and then you can use negotiating to try to work your way up if you want to get paid instead. However, it can be good to have a few product collaborations under your belt just to get started and to know what to expect. But keep in mind, there are several different resources that you can actually use to get an idea of how much you think that you might be worth, because it is really difficult to know how much to charge when you're first starting out. And it does depend on the brand and how much their products are worth. Let's say you're partnering with a brand that sells multi-$100 products, then it's going to be a little bit more expensive than if you're partnering with a company that sells $5 products. So keep that in mind as well. You can also just try things out and try to negotiate, see what they offer first, and then go off of that. That's one way to get started, but the more you do it, the better you'll get at it. And this is one thing that I've learned is it's kind of like muscle memory, just talking to brands and getting comfortable with it. The more you start trying, the easier it gets. And keep in mind that they don't always reach out to you, especially again, when you're starting out. You have to be the one that starts the conversation and does outreach to the brands that you want to work with. But it is possible, however, to have very lucrative brand partnerships if you do it right. So I hope that you continue to try and reach out to build that presence. The third thing that you can do to make money from your YouTube channel before getting monetized is selling your own products. And one way that you can do this that is low maintenance is by selling something that is online or a digital course or something like that in a topic that you are an expert at. I mean, every single person has so much knowledge that they want to share, and even on YouTube, it's hard to get it all out there. I mean, every single video has value, but if you can really do a deep dive in a course and help people to get to a higher level of understanding by just sharing your knowledge, then that is amazing and you absolutely should do it. The other thing to keep in mind though, if you are going to launch a course at the beginning of your YouTube channel, is to keep in mind that you don't want to take too long to create the course. You want to be mindful of your time as well, because it is just a project until it's actually out there. And then once it's out there, that's when it's bringing in income and you're getting feedback from the people who are paying for it. And then you can tweak it as you go. And this is one thing that I think is really probably one of the hardest things for anybody who does an online business or course to grasp, is to not be a perfectionist, because it's so easy to be a perfectionist, especially when you're getting started and you want everything that you put out there to be absolutely perfect. But keep in mind that, again, it is time, and time is money, especially when you're an entrepreneur. Every single bit counts. So you want to be mindful of how much time you're spending on it. And perhaps at the beginning, you even roll it out with a half price discount so that you can tell people that this is a brand new product that you're coming out with and that you want their genuine feedback, and in exchange they get a discount or something of that sort. You can do pre-release, you can do pre-selling. There are so many different ways that you can roll it out, and I'd be happy to talk more about that in another video. Let me know in the comments if you would like to hear more about how to launch your brand new course. But with that said, those are 3 ways that you can make money from your YouTube channel before even reaching those requirements on YouTube to be a part of the Google AdSense program. So I hope that you found this helpful, and I hope that this does help add value for your channel to make an income right out the gate, because it is absolutely possible, and I really, really want you to succeed. Let me know how it goes. And if you are deciding to roll out any of these products of your own, comment below what you're creating. I always love hearing what people's creative ideas are for their businesses, and I would love for the community to see what you're doing too. So thank you very much, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to my channel if you want to, and I'll see you next in this video. Have a great day, guys.